Yeah.
Maybe in future, if you are IAS, if I am trying to come nearby you, Arundhati madam, where I madam, I want to so and so job like that. We are requesting you.
Don't call me madam. You can call me by my name.
In future, I will call like use Caplingo, but it's a little bit expensive. Yeah,
Hmm.
that yeah, I am avoiding expensive things, Camly and Caplingo. Just I
Yeah,
am making.
Camfrey is really expensive.
Yeah, yeah. That's why just I'm making conversation with WhatsApp and Telegram. Hi, Harandati.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. And what about you?
I'm also fine. Thank you for asking.
Wow, great. Okay, where are you from?
I am from Chhattisgarh. It's in central part of India.
Wow, wow.
And where
Yeah,
are you from?
my name is Kashnath. I'm from Telangana. It is in south
Oh,
part.
yeah,
You know Telangana?
yeah, I know.
You know. Okay, okay. Behind you, I
Uh,
am observing many books.
yeah, I have a habit of reading. It's my hobby.
Oh, I think you are daughter of Saraswati. I'm right.
So, what are your hobbies?
Yeah, my hobbies are nowadays. In the past, I watched so many movies, but nowadays I changed my hobbies. Yeah, if I
Oh,
have any enough time, I'm trying to speak with someone in
hmm,
English. It is my
yeah,
habit. And
wow,
early morning time, I will go ground and I will do some running exercise. This is all my habits. I don't have
wow.
any more habits. What is your native language?
People here mostly speak in Chhattisgarhi. It's the language of Chhattisgarh, and we also speak in Hindi.
Yeah, Hindi is common because we all are Indian. It is our national
Yeah,
language. We can speak Hindi anywhere. It is common.
yeah,
Me also speak Hindi sometimes. How is your YouTube channel? Maybe you are running your YouTube channel. Great.
yeah. Thank you.
I am inspiring with you because what is your age?
I'm 12 years old.
Just 12 years old.
Yeah.
That's why I'm inspiring with you because you just 12 years old. You are running good English YouTube channel. You are inspiring so many people. Yeah, that's why I'm thinking I want to make one conversation with you.
Oh,
Do you know,
thank,
I'm also unable to speak English, but you're able to speak English very good.
thank you very much.
Okay, okay, good, good. Which
Hmm.
class are you studying right now?
I am in class 7th.
Wow, wow, it is amazing. You're in class 7. Your English is very unbelievable. Maybe you are
Oh,
English, right?
yeah, I'm from English medium.
Oh, that's why your English is very good. But basically, I'm from Telugu medium.
Oh,
As well as I'm BA background. That's why English is not more touch with me.
hmm.
Yeah, nowadays I'm trying to improve my English skills because of I'm thinking I want to be in a good position in my life. If I want to be in good, if I am trying to be in a good position, we need English. I'm right.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Yeah, because people only speak English in many places. Yeah,
yeah.
that's why you need English.
Yeah, do you know nowadays if you go any company, it is they are feeling it is one kind of code language. They are not speaking in Telugu, Hindi, English like that. They are
Hmm.
speaking in only. They are trying to speak in English. They don't know proper English, but they are trying to speak. At least they are trying to
Yeah,
speak. Yeah, it is
yeah,
happening nowadays. That's why we are learn. I'm learning, not we are because you are already learned something.
yeah.
Do you have any topic?
We can talk about smartphones.
Wow, great. Okay, tell me first your opinion about smartphone advantage and disadvantages, and then after I will say my opinion with
Okay,
you.
yeah.
Okay.
So I think that smartphone is a really great thing. It is just like a miracle for this new era. and before going to bed, and our morning starts with mobile. So that is mobile has become a great habit. And every coin has two sides. It means it has both advantages and disadvantages. And in
Mm,
the same way, we people, human beings, also have some good habits and bad habits, right?
mm,
And in my opinion, the advantages of mobile phone is 80%, but the disadvantage is only 20%. I think mobile phones are really good because I'm a student, and getting learning skills and studying has become really easy. We can talk to teachers, and we can do online classes on Zoom or Skype or any video calling platform. And learning has become really easy. And for people who are in job, they can work from home. For example, they have to attend a meeting, so they don't have to go to a conference hall or something. They can just take their phone and attend the meeting from it. So that's a great thing. And if you want to talk to a doctor or get any medical facilities, so you can just call that doctor, video call. So that is one thing. And you can get medicines from many platforms. For example, pharmacy, if you have heard of it. So we can get many things. And I think that we can show our talent as well through smartphones. For example, if you want to sing, then you can just record a video of yours through your smartphone and then upload it on YouTube or anything. So that has become really easy. You can show your talent to a person of any country or any place. And you can get some books as well if you want to read. So that is one good thing, because you can just take your mobile and read from that. You don't need to carry all those books and things everywhere with you. And I think that we can entertain ourselves as well with our mobiles. We can watch YouTube, we can do anything. We can even watch movies through our phones, and booking things. For example, booking a plane, booking some train tickets or any movie. So you can do that with your phone. And if you want to get food or any customer services, you can just get through your phone. For example, Zomato and Swiggy. My
exactly.
mom doesn't go to market. She just orders all those things from her mobile through online stores. So that is one good thing. You can save your time. And on your mobiles, you have many apps. For example, if you want to do anything, learn any skill, or do anything, you can do through your mobile with an app. Just install it and just do that thing. And whenever we are visiting somewhere, for example, we forgot the way where we want to go, so you can just use Google Maps and
Yes,
go to that
yes.
place.
Because nowadays we are using more and more.
Yeah,
Without Google, we can't imagine our life.
yeah. We have become very much dependent on Google.
Yeah, yeah, you're right.
Yeah. And for disadvantage, I would say that through our mobiles, we get some radiations. So that is very harmful for our eyes, our brain, and I've heard that it also harms our skin. Maybe, I'm not sure. And we can get some psychological issues. For example, we see everything on mobile is just great. For example, we are seeing any video of someone, so we think that their life is so amazing. So we can get some effects in our brain because of that my life is not so good, their life is so good, like that. And we can get addiction of anything for using your mobile for the whole day. That is really very bad. And because of that, we also waste our time very much. In the olden days, my mom used to tell me that they had no mobile, and they used to just utilize their time with studying and getting good marks and all those things. But now people just waste their times on mobile. That is a really bad disadvantage. And we just send wishes for any festival or anything to our family members through WhatsApp or anything. So that is really sad. We don't have any emotions. They are just emotionless. In olden times, people used to write postcards and all those things. So that had very much emotions. There was a love for the family members in those letters and all those things, but now just forward the image, forward, copy paste, all that is just going on through our mobiles. So that is just decreasing our emotions for our family members. And we just waste our time, and sometimes we even spend money on apps and watching movies or videos and all those things. And we also play games. Children play games like PUBG and all those things, and they just waste their time on their mobiles.
Do
So
you play
yeah,
PUBG?
no, I don't play PUBG, but I play some other games.
You are also children, right? Why you are not playing? Because you don't like.
Uh, I don't like PUBG, but I like other games like Free Fire or many other games.
Free Fire is also like PUBG, right? But you
Yeah,
are also your time.
yeah.
Okay,
So I
okay.
think that's enough for my speech or my talk.
Yeah, yeah, good, good, good. Well said. What you said, you are 100% right. Yeah, nowadays we are using mobile phones. When we are using mobile phone, like you are using minimize computer. Minimize
Hmm.
computer is in your hands.
Yeah.
If buy anything, we are buying easily with smartphone. We
Hmm.
are not going anywhere. Just we are using smartphone. We are buying in e-commerce. We are
Yeah.
utilizing e-commerce. You know, nowadays e-commerce is also giving competition for direct market. Do you know?
Oh,
Yeah,
I did.
you can observe. You can observe like we are buying many items in e-commerce. Like e-commerce means
Hmm.
online.
Yeah.
Yeah, online market is also giving competition for offline market. I'm right.
Hmm. Yeah. Nowadays, people only buy online things, and because of this pandemic, the COVID-19, so
Hmm.
that's why people don't go outside and they just order from Amazon or any other platform.
Yeah, and as well as if you want to pay, we are not paying direct money. Just we are paying Google Pay. We are using Google Pay
Hmm.
like
Yeah.
that. It's easy process. And as well
Hmm.
as nowadays smartphone is very good for students. Why? Because it is pandemic situation. We are not going school sometimes. Many times, maybe 2 years from 2 years to we are suffering with pandemic.
Yeah.
Schools close always. That's why many people, many students are they are studying in online, like a teachers telling in Zoom classes, and
Hmm.
students they are participating in Zoom meetings, and they are catching something with smartphone.
Yeah.
Like
Hmm.
also useful thing, but sometimes some people they are misusing smartphone. Some people, not all people, some people, because they are always time doing time pass, and they are wasting, they are misusing.
Hmm.
It is
Yeah.
depends on human behavior. Who want to utilize properly, it is useful for that persons. Who want to who want to not using properly, it is not good for those
Hmm.
peoples. It's my opinion about this.
Yeah, that's really nice. And we can control the disadvantages if we just have a determination to not use our mobiles, so we can control those disadvantages. So I think that mobile phones are a really great thing.
Yeah, yeah, mobile phones are really great, but
Hmm.
we want to control minimum. We want to use. Uh, we don't want to like we don't want to habitate for mobiles. Just we want
Hmm.
to control. Sometimes we want to use. If you have any work, you want to do that work. Don't use always. Don't spend your our time with mobile like that. We want to
Hmm.
control our emotions regarding mobile. But
Yeah.
yeah, sometimes when we don't have any time pass, that time we are continuously using mobile phones, and we are
Hmm.
watching videos like that. Yeah. What is famous tourism place in Chhattisgarh? Do you have any idea?
I don't have much idea, but I have heard that in Chhattisgarh, the nature is really good. The waterfalls, the temples, they're really good.
Oh, do you visited any temple?
Not temple. I once visited a waterfall in Rajam. It's a small village in Chhattisgarh. I visited a waterfall there.
Oh, great, great. How you feel that?
It's really very nice. You feel very calm and nice.
Do you enjoy it with that waterfall?
Yeah.
What you are preparing more, and behind you, I am observing more and more books. You are preparing like apart your class book. Maybe you are preparing for any IA exams.
And yeah, means I want to crack IAS exam, the UPSC.
Oh, you want to crack IAS, becoming IAS.
Yeah.
Maybe in future, if you are IAS, if I am trying to come nearby you, Arundhati madam, where I madam, I want to so and so job like that. We are requesting you.
Don't call me madam. You can call me by my name.
In future, I will call like that because you. Yeah, I'm praying for God for you. Please give good knowledge for Arundhati, and I want to see as a IAS in my future.
Yeah.
Yeah, are you using Caplingo?
A clappingo. Yeah, I use it.
Okay, it is so expensive or normal expensive?
I think it's okay. Means I take the 800 rupees. We have 4 classes in a month.
800 rupees, 4 classes. Only
Yeah.
4 classes. I want to use Caplingo, but it's a little bit expensive. Yeah,
Hmm.
I'm avoiding expensive things, Cambly and Caplingo. Just
Like
I'm making.
Cambly is really expensive.
Yeah. Yeah, that's why just I'm making conversation with WhatsApp and Telegram. Nowadays,
That's nice.
Skype is also.
Hmm.
Maybe you are understanding my English little.
Your English is really nice.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Yeah, just I'm
Welcome.
improving English skills with social media only, not any other things.
Oh,
But I'm
wow.
but I'm interested about Cambly. I want to make a conversation with Cambly tutors. Uh,
Hmm.
that is expensive. It is not
Yeah, it's
possible
really
for me.
expensive.
Is your experience with Caplingo?
Yeah, it's nice. Means you get a view on different topics. You can speak very nicely, and it's just like giving a speech in front of a stranger. So yeah, that's really nice. It builds up your confidence.
It is increasing your confidence.
Yeah.
That's why you are already improved in, in your confidence. You are speaking with me very confident.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Yeah. And do you have any other hobbies?
Yeah, I like to paint. Sometimes I make some drawings.
Your painter is also drawing artist.
Yeah.
Do you draw your face in your?
No,
You didn't
I
try that.
no, I draw some trees or cloud, like nature drawing.
You are nature drawing, nature artist.
Yeah.
In future, you are going to draw your faces also
Yeah.
because when you are trying more and more, your hand will move easily
Yeah.
because that is practice makes man perfect.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
You are really talented girl. Maybe you are going to crack anything in your future.
Thank you.
Thank you. Very good. Very good. Yeah, how you are feeling with my conversation?
It
Is
is
boring?
really. I felt very nice.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, because we decided we just make 15 minutes conversation, but we are completed 3 minutes conversation.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is common because when I was when I have first conversation with Sonam, that time we decided we make 10 minutes conversation, but we are continue that conversation for 40 minutes. Just
Oh,
started with 20 minutes conversation. After that, I stopped my recording.
Oh.
Yeah, I have one YouTube. I have one conversation with Sonam is also not one conversation, 2 conversations. One conversation is I posted in my YouTube channel. Other one conversation she posted yesterday. Yesterday or 5 days back she posted in her YouTube channel.
Nice.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was really nice talking.